Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva's new AI video generator in 2025. Here's the free text to video feature that's perfect for beginners. You don't need to have any editing skills, no complex software, just type what you want and Canva will turn it into a video with animation, visuals and voiceover. Not voiceover, but yeah, animation or video. It will create a stock video, and so if you have ever thought about making a video, YouTube video explainer or promo, you can use this tool as a stock video. And yeah, so what is Canva AI video generator? It is very simple. You can create videos from text. So yeah, that's it. In order to do that, first of all, you have to head over to this website, which is canva.com, and log into your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Just simply click on the sign up. It will give you three options where you can sign up with the Google, Facebook and all of it, etc. Now this is a basic interface of Canva, where you will, in the left side, you will get this categories, the home, projects, templates, brand, apps and classroom. Now in order to create that, just simply click on the create design. Now you have to choose your design first, and for example I will choose Instagram post. Choose Instagram post. From here you can create videos from scratch. So it will give you a blank canvas where we are going to make our AI video. Now in the left side you will get to see this options where the design, from the design you can choose templates, and the elements you can search like photos, videos, graphs, all of which you can use in your design. And this is text. You can add different text into your design, and the uploads. So these are the all the basic tools which you can use. In order to create AI generated videos, what you have to do is just simply click on the apps, where we are going to install a different app into Canva. So just simply click on the Canva apps, and it will give you a search bar where you can search specific uh, apps. For in case we are going to use magic generator, search for magic generator. I think I have misspelled, just generator, and I think no, I think I have already installed that magic media. Okay, not magic generator, we are typing about magic media. So this is that app. I have already installed it in my Canva. So what I will do, I will just simply click on that. So using this tool you can create images and videos as well. The new feature is you can create graphs as well using this video. Now the sorry AI video is not available for your country, account or account type. So right now it is not available for my country. So let's just use an VPN. So I think VPN is already open. Start VPN, change country. Let's see, restart it. I think I have using this from long time. Go in the apps and search for magic media. So it is not available in my country, but if this available, then you have to just simply type the description what you want to create and just simply click on the generate. So it is basically very similar to this, where you have to describe what you would like to create and then select the style and just simply click on the image. uh, Click on the generate, so it will generate the video. So right now it is available in my different account. So we will create that. For example, you have to describe what you would like to create. So you can use the chat GPT to create a very detailed prompt, but I will just, what I will do, I will just click on the inspire me, a drone shot planning over the ocean at sunset, golden nature light. So this is an experimental new technology, so don't expect that it will create a great video. Just simply click on the generate video, so it will take 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see here, the Magic Media is created a great video. I think it look very realistic. I did not expected that this kind of result it will provide. If you are not satisfied with this result, what you can do is just simply add prompt again. So you will notice how the scene match the text. The flow is smooth and it even add a softness in the video. So yeah, all done automatically, and I only typed a few lines, as you can see here. So this is how you can create a video in Canva using Magic Media. There are lots of video text to video apps. Just type it text to video, so it will give you apps, as you can see here. Now if you want Kling AI into so yeah, you can search it by yourself. So you will get vid AI video as well. So there are lots of options, so you can just use it, but the credit system is very different to each other's app. So make sure you have enough credits in your account, so you can use that. So yeah, you just learn how to use Canva's free AI video generator, which is not typically free, but for trying you will get free. Type your ideas and turn into real videos. You can customize it and export it for your YouTube channel. It's super easy, beginner friendly, and totally free. If this helped you, don't forget to like this and subscribe, and leave a comment below with what you want to learn next.